We're gonna focus on this one. Here's the nose of my Impulse 31. I may or may not have ran it into a bank. I have never done any fiberglass. This is my next project and current project, but I feel like I might want to start with this first. So, yep, I'm gonna attempt to rebuild the nose. I have another boat back there, but here is your intro wash. I'm new to all this. She's sanded, and she's got a flat nose. And I don't want to rebuild it with like an inch of fiberglass, so I'm gonna 3D print a little cone for it so I can hopefully just mold on top of that and not have to do as much fiberglass, but yeah, we'll see. I'll just take some inner diameter measurements and make a little cone that fits in there, hopefully, but yep. The nose cone. We use that in there to hopefully build off as a base. Call that good. Build off of that. Makes sense to me. Glued in place. We're just gonna build off of that. Nice. This. Bam. That's better than what it was. We'll get it even better. lot of sanding and more fiberglass to put on. That's pretty legit. I think it's time. Some more layerage. I'm just gonna sand all that excess off. But damn, she looking good. Nice. There we are. Okay, more games. Anyways. There's another layer. Let it dry, and then we'll come back and give it another sand. Do a little bit more sanding, mate. Definitely needs a little bit more filler, but we're matching the body line pretty nice. We're getting somewhere. Hey, focus. It's looking pretty good. Do another round of sanding and a little more body filler, and then try and follow that body line as hard or as close as possible. But probably start taking the whole boat apart here soon too, so I could paint the entire thing. I don't know what color yet, but that is the plan. Very good, very good. More and more sand. These spots suck. So I do have my screwdriver and some pretty thick Scotch-Brite. Looking pretty good. I'm just giving it another sand and then go pick up some painting supplies and get some stuff done. You know what I'm saying? Damn.
I probably take like
A little freshen up. Had the motor out. I just wiped it down and made it all clean. While I was getting ready to go hang this thing up to primer it, maybe paint, but I forgot to sand this. I'm gonna leave this windshield on, paint it, and then when I pull it off, hopefully, it'll be a nice polished black window, but we'll see. Battery brace connected. I'm gonna get a different mount or stand, whatever you want to call it. But this is what I got. We're also doing the backyard right now. But this, just gonna hang out, see if I can. Shabam. Good. Yeah. We back. Got a modified painting stand now. Got a bolt in there so it won't slide. Made it a little higher. Put it in the rear this time instead of right there. Give me a better angle, hopefully. This is for the base coat. Then I came sprayed down the ground on shower, so it's not all dusty. Oh, look at that. My balls. So, this paint can was very much used, but thought I'd have enough. I didn't. But I'm gonna get more. And we'll start again. Man, my phone sucks. Windy, but I live in, so it won't ever not be windy. My shit. Don't touch my shit. While we wait. This is noon. The axolotl. And we got Scout. Uh-oh. Forget one's name. Oh, we got Cola. We got Finn, Scout. Damn, I'm forgetting 2 names right now. Anyways, there's their tank. We got a little green tree frog somewhere in there. And a crested gecko somewhere in there. Wow, Lucy. Yeah. 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 Ah! Got a jumping spider. Where's he at? Where he at? There he is. Bro, getting big. Crazy. Oh. What the fuck? See how this works. I'm gonna figure out how to hold it first. No good. Sticker not pulling off, no good. Got a better mount for my phone, so that's nice. She looking pretty good. So, I messed up. So, I'll show you. Oh, me and my buddy looked at this. I peeled off all these stickers. Oh, man, you can't even see now, but under here is just a silver windshield. I thought it was a sticker. I never tried to pull it up because I just thought it was a sticker. I pulled off all the other stickers, so thought it was another one. That shit ain't a sticker. So basically, I just chipped off my brand new paint. I used this one. I was lucky to have this one. And I have some wrap, random. I covered it in masking tape. Cut out a template, cut out one of these, use that as a template. And then after the third or fourth revision, now we got a super clean windshield. And it's a nice white with some flakes in it. So it'll go good with the red with flakes in it, I think. So we're going to do that, and we're going to cover up my damage. And then I won't cry anymore when I go to bed, but it's all right. So that'll be the thing that we gonna do. I'm gonna do something else before then. And then we're gonna put it on. Delicious. Okay. Now we just gotta get this thing on without fucking it up. I think I'm more happy with how this turned out than what I was initially planning, because it was just gonna be a flat black, and that, I mean, it would have been polished black. A way better looking version of that. I would, yeah. Anyways. Beep. I did build this trailer. I was gonna record it, but things change. Fits really nice though. Still haven't even ran this thing yet. I also got an excavator RC. And I sold a bunch of my other RCs, clear up space. I also bought this toolbox. I got it for 150 bucks and took out some anger on it. Now all the drawers open. Only 2 out of 18 did when I first got it. Most out of 18 open smoothly now. Here's the boat. She's all put back together and ready to go. Looks good. The nose. It's the main reason we're here, right? Yep. Whole lot of 3D printed parts. That's barely a tenth of them for my next project, but yep. Got a drill press for another project. I got a new mountain bike recently. I really enjoyed filming the process. I've never done that before, but it's been really cool being able to look back and see the progression. It's been super cool. Yeah, I want to record so I can look back and look at all the things I've done later in life, you know. If you did make it this far and you saw the whole process, thanks for watching. I'm gonna put in some clips at the end of this video showing my brother-in-law Miles paragliding in our beautiful area that we live in. He unfortunately passed away in a paragliding accident on October 30th of this year. Him and my sister had just moved in with us, and we had a lot of plans and a lot of things that we had done together, and anytime I'm doing anything, I'll be thinking of him, so.